Hi, today let's make very nutritious, super healthy moong dal and palak curry, for which you need palak leaves, which is clean, wash, chop it and keep it aside. Now in a kadai, add in oil. Once the oil has heated, just add in some cumin seeds and mustard seeds and just wait till it splutter. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. This is a very simple, very easy recipe, but yet it's packed with nutrients and vitamins, minerals, everything, and high protein as well. So I've added in dry red chilies along with some curry leaves. Once the curry leaves turns crispy, that is the time you need to add in here chopped onions. Now the beauty of this recipe is you don't need to turn the onions dark brown or brown like that. You just need to turn it slightly pink, but because when the pinkish kind of onions when goes with the curry, it gives a different flavor completely. So I'm just waiting for the so I'm sauteing the onions really very well so that it turns slightly pink. And then what I'll be doing is next I'll be adding in some ginger garlic paste. Saute the onions and the ginger garlic paste really very well till the raw smell goes. And then you can add in some chopped tomatoes and give it a good mix. Mix it really very well. Here the tomatoes needs to turn slightly mushy. When you feel the tomatoes has turned slightly mushy, that time I'll be adding in some chopped palak. And then please note palak doesn't take a long time to cook. It'll be quick. It'll cook really very well. So just takes 2 minutes. Saute it really very well with onions, tomatoes, and no too much masala. Very simple masalas here we'll be adding. Now the palak is cooked like little bits. At this stage I'll be adding in some salt to taste along with some turmeric powder and coriander powder. That's it. No too much fancy masala. Add in all these masalas. Saute it really very well. Next I'll be adding here green moong dal. Here I've soaked the moong dal overnight, and then in the morning I've given 5 to 6 whistles along with some salt. I've boiled it, and that's it. Saute it really very well along with the palak, and then cover it with the lid and keep it for 5 minutes, and that's it. Finally check for the salt, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and a super healthy, super tasty palak green moong dal curry is ready to serve. You can have it with hot rice, chapati, or you can just have it like this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.